Guys, andito po tayo sa Henry Park. Dito po tayo mag-vlog po ngayon. Salamat sa suporta po ninyo sa panunood sa vlog ko. Come and enjoy my vlog. Tingnan po natin yung flowers. Ang ganda po ng mga flowers. I love flowers. It's so beautiful. Ito po makikita natin sa kapaligiran po natin. It's a beautiful apartment, groceries, pharmacies. Ito po. Yung ating makikita po sa ating vlog po ngayon. Araw na to. Itutur ko po kayo dito. Para, ito po yung swim. Para makapag-adventure din po kayo kahit dito sa vlog ko. Ito po yung park nila. Ito po yung playground. Dito, you can just see and watch for the playground. Ito po. Yan, pahingahan po ng mga tao yan pag may mga nagpapalaro ng mga anak nila o alaga nila. Yan, dito po. And then we can see all the plants here. There's a santan plants. Then they also had a pandan leaf. I always say this every part of the park. They put a pandan, they will plant a pandan leaf there. Pandan is good for our delicacies. It's got the fragrance of a delicious food. Light rice, glutinous rice, when you cook some delicacies in Philippines, yeah, I will suggest you to put some pandan leaf, and even you are making the bilo-bilo in Philippines. Yes, this is a purple plants. It's a purple flower. It's beautiful. The flower is so beautiful. I'm so amazed the color. Guys, this is the plants here. Yeah. Okay. This is the fitness. This is another fitness where I have been every day. Ito po yung isang fitness po nila na pwede ka pong mag-exercise din. Yeah, then this is the twister body. Ito po yung balancing ng katawan. Then that one, life trail, and this one is for energy too. Total fitness system is beautiful. Yes, it's so beautiful. It boosts your system. And if you are everyday sweat, yes, we can take out our sugar through our sweat. Yan po. Kapag pumahilig ka pong kumain ng mga sweet things, yun ang gagawin mo. Mag-exercise ka everyday, then you will not get fat. And all your sweetness, and then you will not get diabetes because all your sweetness will come out. So, dyan po natatanggal ang ating sugar. That's why doctors advise that we got to exercise every day. Yes, guys. Okay, maraming salamat po sa panunood po sa aking vlog. Thank you for coming to my vlog. Maraming salamat po sa lahat ng suporta ninyo. Thank you, guys. Bye.